Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Lesson 2-4, subtract whole numbers. Let's move to the page 67. Subtract use inverse operations to check your differences. Okay, differences means subtract. So use inverse operation means add. So we can use the addition to check if our answer is correct or not. Okay, question number 3, 139,484 minus 11,000 or 116,691. So before we start, I put the first number on the bottom. So 139,484 minus 116,691. Then we start subtract. As I said before, we have to subtract and starting from the ones, from the right. So 4 minus 1 equals to 3. 8 minus 9, I can't do it because the number on the top is less. So we have to be, it should be more, so you can subtract. So what you have to do, you will take 1 from the next number, from the 4. So if you take 1 from the 4 will be 3. The one that you took it, you put it beside the 8, it becomes 18. Now 18 is more than 9, so you can subtract. 18 minus 9 equals to 9. Then 3 minus 6, you can't do it because 3 is less. So you'll take 1 from the next number. The next number is 9. It becomes 8. And then here, the 1. It becomes 13. Now 13 minus 6 equals to 7. Then comma. After 3 digits, I put a comma. Then 8 minus 6, yes, I can do it because 8 is more. So 8 minus 6 equals to 2. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. But no need to write the 0 on the left because it has no value. Now we subtract. So now we can use inverse operation to check your difference. Inverse operation, it means I have to add the answer with this number. It has to be this number, 139,484. So 116,691 plus the answer 22,793. I put the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens, the hundreds under the hundreds, thousands under the thousand, 10,000s under the 10,000s. Then I start to add. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 9 plus 9 equals to 18. 8 here, 1 here. 1 plus 6 equals to 7. 7 plus 7 equals to 14. 4 here, and regroup the 1. 1 plus 6 equals to 7. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Do not forget the comma. Then 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Then 1. So 139,484, same as this. It means your answer is correct. But do not do the this operation, the inverse operation, till he asks you on the question. Thank you very much, and have a good day.